I bathe in the radiance of my Ow, ow, okay, okay. Well, that was a stupid idea. Anyways, hello everyone, my name is Bubbalissa, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. I'm acting like a fool and standing in radiation. And what was I on that? Oh, was it this little bit of elevation? I guess. In the last episode, we grabbed a bunch of slimes and started making some extra pieces at home. What are you doing out of your pen? Started making some extra farms at home so that we can get some plorts, and I'm going to actually speed up the day because... Oh, well, first, Star Mail. The big storm, Casey. I got your mail. Of course I remember that day. I feel like that was when you and I really connected. It was raining so hard that the streets were flooding. We took shelter in that cafe. It was like a scene from a movie, only we both looked like wet animals. And the guy running the shop was a real tyrant. The only way we could stay inside was by ordering one coffee after another. I felt like we learned more about each other that day than ever. Maybe it was the coffee because we were both talking really, really fast. I told you about my dreams, making music and all that. At least, that's how I remember it. Walking home, when the rain came back and you got closer to me, my heart was racing. But I couldn't blame that on the coffee. Aww. That's touching. Ogden Ortiz. Let's see, what's a good voice for him? Hi, Matrix. No. I think I got it.
The name's Ogden Ortiz. Wait, Ogden Ortiz. I'm a slime rancher much like yourself, but I mostly fancy myself as a farmer. I came to the far range to grow fruits and veggies the way we used to back on Earth, by getting down into the soil and getting your hands dirty. Did you know that carrots improve your night vision? Yeah, seriously, they do. I don't see why all the ranchers aren't just gobbling them down every chance they get. Being lost out on the range at night can be so dangerous. Well, don't let me ramble on you here. We'll be in touch via the range exchange. I tend to only raise slimes that eat fruits and veggies, so expect those kinds of requests from me. Looking forward to doing business with ya. P.S. Ever heard of a gilded ginger? Glinger. It's a mythical veggie that is said to be the favorite food of the equally mythical gold slime, but some say neither of them actually exist.
Well, my friend, the gold slime does exist. I've seen it firsthand, but I've not seen this gilded ginger ever. Anyways, sleep until morning, and that should... Well, these ones are done. Okay, we'll take these ones because today's order of business, we're gonna open... Give me that. We're gonna open a new area of the ranch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lost track of counting. Oh well, all of you can have those, and now we can show the plort collector. And would you look at that? Money! Got the 20, and that can store up to 100. Let's go ahead and take these back. Perfect. Not worried about the prices. They're very low, but I'm not looking to maximize right now. And let's go to this side because the overgrowth. The ranch's very own wild side. Yeah! So, this is a different teleporter. We don't need that yet. Now, remember how I said there was a place with chickens? Chickens. This area is literally just chickens. You hear chickens everywhere, and then look, 3 more chickens just spawned out. I'm already almost ready to like I can just feed all these boom slimes I have. Oh my goodness. See? It's just chickens. So, we're gonna... Did I put an auto feeder on this guy? No. Well, here you go, guys. Eat up. Eat up. Oh, look. I'm just gonna run back over here. And... Oh my goodness. I just dropped off 20 chickens at the in that pen. And I just got back 11 chickens. 12 chickens. I missed this guy. This is absolutely ridiculous. Yes, I know there are other... There's other hens in this game. I know they're called hens. Chicken comes to mind faster. There are other hens in this game, like the stony hen we saw, and then we got told about the briar hens. But, like, there's so many in here. Let me just grab reports. Hopefully I don't die. Alright, we're gonna sell these. I have 24 health. Perfect. So I can just put a auto feeder on here and a pork collector. And just there you go. Dunzo. Is these Oka-Okas done yet? They are not done at all. Okay. Well, let's see what the call of the day is.
I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out?
What do you want? 4 Oka-Okas, really? 4 Oka-Okas, 5 heartbeats, and 8 pogo fruits. I know there was pogo fruits over here, so let's quickly go grab those. Oka-Okas, I think we just wait for my stuff to be grown. As for the heartbeats, we need to go over to the Indigo Quarry. So, oh, and now that we've unlocked this area, boop. Hey, you remember that tabby slime we destroyed? Hey, there's a random heartbeat here. Oh, get out of here. Left. You guys are fine. Calm down. Oh, I can't get you. Okay, so let's go back in here. And look at that. I left for how long was that? Like a minute? There's just more chickens. It's just chickens. Everything is chickens. Are they there? No. Okay. That'll be for later. That's actually a pretty interesting area. Ow. Let's pop you guys in there. And let's turn in 1, 2, 3, 4. Pew. Okay. I know I have... I forget if crystal slimes are sensitive to light. Let's see. Does it tell me? Crystal slimes. Crystal slimes routinely create large parts of hazardous knife. Well, maybe they can actually stay on the farm. How? Really, dude? Are you really gonna make me get a, You guys are. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to put an air net on you guys. How much is the air net? 425. Oh my goodness. Alright. Thankfully I have these. Oh, Oka-Okas are done. Nice. And I don't know why I didn't feed them Oka-Okas, but okay. AirNet activate. Now they will stay in there. You guys have been good, so I'm not worried about you. I need to keep 4 of these. And let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just turn on the heartbeat. And let's just run over to the quarry. I think we just go. So, chickens. I'll leave the chickens be, because I have plenty of chickens back home. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to speed up this part, and we'll be right back. Okay, now that I think about it, I'm just going to take the puddle slimes with me. Because, like, they make a good amount of money. And I can just, like, kickstart my farm with puddle slimes. Crystal slimes, I can come back for you. I'm not going to... You guys can at least go over here. It's probably a bad idea, but, you guys can stay here. Oh, wait. The present boxes. So these give you ornaments. You can place these around your entire, what do you call it? Your farm. Oh, this looks like a recipe for disaster. Case in point. You know, maybe this wasn't the best idea. Oops. Get in there. Well, I'm believing. Okay, so there's no heart. Where's all the heartbeats? Come on, game. Are there heartbeats down here? No, stony heads. Oh, well, I don't have any. Where? Oh, it's that guy. Pew. Kaboom. Pogo fruits, but where? Oh my goodness. Where are the heartbeats? That's carrots. I think there's heartbeats along this path. Berry. One heartbeat. Seriously? Oh, wait, odd onions. This ornament should stay there, so we can take odd onions. I need one more heartbeat for this. Just one more game, please. Come on. Come on. What's in here? I forget what this is. Just another cave. It's been so long, so I don't remember like everything that's in this game. Oh, that just leads back up to here. Owie. Oh. I think... Is this what I think it is? Well, let's open it up. Yup. No. This looks fun. Ah. So... Now that is a big gate. And if we look around, this statue looks interesting. Oh, this one's glowing. Looks like the slimes. So if I go over to, no, that's rock. That is boom. So the first main objective in this game is to open this door. I am... Is there no... No, wait. No, there should be puddle. Because boom, radiant, crystal... Oh no, is there no puddle? Oh, I think because you have to feed them. So I think there's no puddle. You guys can stay here. But I think I'm gonna skip ahead until I can finally find a another heartbeat, and we'll go from there. All right. Yeah. So I will be back. Oh, finally! Wonderful. That actually didn't take long at all. Alright, now let's teleport back and let's give Victor the heartbeats. After dropping off and making some slime, puddle slime areas. I vote... What did I even put in here? Honestly, we're going to demolish this. We're going to just make 2 puddle slime spots. Grab these. Sell these. And I think... Yeah, you can do 4, I believe. Perfect. Back over here. Make it to the pond. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Alright, Victor. Wait, no, you're not Victor. No, you're Ogden. Ooh, crystal slime. Oh, quartz. Okay, I don't really need other... I guess I could make the silo here. Yeah, and I'll just store different types of food just in case I need them. And you know what? Just to show it off, I'll grab these. We can sell 2 of these. And 1 of those. Run back over here. Grab the radiant plorts out. Or rad plorts. Pew! Alright, there we go. 1, 1, and 1. Now, to... Let's see. So, we've made more progress on these. And I think what I want to do really quick is... Yeah... Let's do maximum harvest and faster. And I think this one can at least afford... No, I cannot. I need a little bit more money. Should I just go over to my giant collection of chickens? Gee, I wonder. Wait. Oh, there they are. I was about to be like, wait, is there no chickens? Are you kidding me? There we go. 1, 2, 3. Here, thank you. Any more? Usually some back here? Yes, there is. Let's go back over here. Because I think radiation slimes are gonna be my biggest money grabbers right now. Alright. Give me these ports. I'm taking heavy damage. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. perfect amount. For nutrient soil. Can't get the faster grow yet, but that's fine. Is there one more I can do today? I need plorts post haste, whatever that means. 2 radiation and 4 tabby. Well, I know where I can get tabbies. Oh, not that teleport. It was this teleport. Whee! Alright. But. Nope. Oh, you got one. You butt. 2. I need 2 more. Yep, there it is. I knew this was gonna happen. Get out of here. 3. 1 more. Friends? Would you like to give me a tabby plort? Please? Hey, tabby slime. Tabby slime, go for it. Have a chicken. Oh. Eat the chicken. Get out of here. There you go. Eat the chicken. I said eat the chicken. Get out of here. Someone eat a chicken. Give me a tabby plort. Oh, thank you. Get out of here. Okay. I need 2 more radiation plorts because I want to do. Oh, I should have gotten a 5th tabby plort. It's fine. Alright, we're going to run over to... Actually, back to that spot we were looking at, so... I will be right back. Maybe I should take a... Maybe I should take a frost report with me. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to... speed up. Well, now that we are here, oh, very nice and glowy. Snipe. I missed. Jump shot. There we go. No, I don't need that one. Oh, do I not need crystal? Mike? Wait, I need 1, 2, 3. That's pink, boom. We haven't seen that one yet. Radiation, phosphor, rock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, wait, I needed... Dude, I'm doing great at this, okay? I am failing my life off. Where's the last statue? Am I crazy? Rock here, so that's 1. Phosphor here, 2. Radiation, 3. Boom, 4. Pink, 5. That one, 6. And... There's a 7th one. There's supposed to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I blind? Oh my goodness, it's up here. The tabby one. So I didn't need crystal torch at all. Alright, anyways. We will rush back to the farm, bring some radiation stuff on the way, and turn in what we had. Honestly... Ooh, Rushos, give me that. Okay. And I think what I might do off screen is I'm just gonna advance the farm. I'm gonna do some, like, no pun intended, but do some farming and get upgraded coops, get upgraded like pens and stuff, more food for certain slimes. That way we can just progress faster and have a have more stuff to explore with. So I will meet you guys back at the ranch to turn this stuff in. I totally forgot to grab radiation points, but I should have a couple in here. I do not. I need to plant. I need to feed my slimes. Quickly. All of you take those. Perfect. 1, 2. Chickens. 1, 2. These in the auto feeder. Odd onions. I believe those are for. Is that crystal slimes they're for? Let's see. Yep, crystal slimes it is. All right. Put the extra boom slimes in here. And I also picked up the 2 pink ornaments while we were leaving, so let's do 1 and 2. Nice. Honestly, we need tank boosters so bad. So now, as I put the last of these in, I think that's gonna do it for today. We opened a new area of the farm where we got absolute chickens galore. Bob, we'll read your message next time, okay? We opened up the area to the gate that leads to the next big area of the story. So I think in the next episode, if I can remember this, we will I'm gonna collect a bunch of stuff to feed to the what do you call it, that rock gordo, and then also hopefully we'll grab a key because I want to go into the next area of the game up here in the next episode, but that will only work if I can get, well, there is a trick to get in there without having to use a key, and that is also actually what I did my first playthrough, and I'll probably show that off too. So either way, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, feel free, leave like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. You know, I can't control you, though you should totally do it. I'm just kidding, you don't have to do anything. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I've got nothing else, so I'm out.